Okay, Dexter is here for my October 2020 IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate unboxing. I'm so happy this is finally here. I feel like this is kind of later in the month to start getting my boxes. This is my first beauty subscription box for the month of October that I'm finally able to unbox. So this here is the $50 a month IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate box. I also will be getting the regular IPSY Glam Bag, the $12 bag, the $25 IPSY Glam Bag Plus, and both BoxyCharm boxes, the regular BoxyCharm and the BoxyCharm Premium. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I think I'm going to be getting the rest of my packages very soon that I'll be uploading my unboxings of. But I'm so excited to get into this. I feel like I've been waiting for a long time. So let's see what I got in my IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate box. Did I get a product card? Let's see, I have a card here, but no product information. I'm so bummed. Last month I did get product information in my Glam Bag Ultimate and I was so excited. Oh, darn. Let me know in the comments down below if you got product information in your IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate or any of the other bags this month. I was really hoping we had turned a new page and we're gonna start getting product information again. But okay, I am very curious. I wanna pull out, oh, okay, so here is the bag and it says Your Magic. It's cute. It's kind of got this, what is this? I don't know, some symbol with little makeup designs on it. As far as Glam Bag Ultimate bags go, it's a little bit on the smaller side, but it is cute, kind of like this faux leather, a unique shape compared to other bags I've gotten. But okay, the first product I see here is actually the product that I chose. This is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner, hydrating and pore refining. So I actually was not too psyched about any of the products that I got to choose from for my October IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate, but I do really like the brand Glow Recipe, and this sounds like it'll really target my main skin concerns of large pores and dryness. So that's why I chose this. I would have liked to usually choose a makeup product, but I am excited to use this. I only recently started using toner, and it's something that I'm using twice a day now, so I'll definitely get use out of this in my skincare routine. Next, I'll pull out, this is Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. So I am not familiar with the brand Air Repair, but eye creams are another product that I use twice a day in my skincare routine. I have a bunch of eye creams right now that I've already received from IPSY, BoxyCharm, FabFitFun, all of those. So, of course, once again, I would rather get makeup, but I'm so into skincare now that I know I will get use out of this eventually. It says cruelty-free, paraben-free, vegan, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free. Soothing blend of aloe and allantoin. And vitamin C, green tea extract, cloudberry seed oil. Lots of ingredients that I'm not familiar with, but it's supposed to moisturize the skin and reduce dark circles and fight under eye puffiness. So sounds really nice. What's this here? Oh, Catherine Melandrino Romance de Provence, a perfume. I like getting perfumes in IPSY because I love trying out new scents. Oh, I actually, in my most recent Empties video, talked about the pink version of this perfume. So that's great, now I have a new one. Ooh, let's see how this smells. Ooh, I like this. It smells like, a little bit like that Clinique Happy, that classic scent. It's really nice. This one seems, at least first impression, to be stronger and more potent than the other version of the Catherine Melandrino perfume that I tried. Like, this one seems more like a perfume, whereas the other one I described as a body spritz, which I still like. Oh, you know what this actually kind of smells like, which is one of my all-time favorite perfumes, is the Midnight Fantasy from Britney Spears. I was a diehard fan of the fantasy perfumes, and this was the like dark blue one, which smells so good. All right, next, oh, this is another product that I think I've gotten the same one but in a different color, so a different version. This is from Marc Anthony, True Professionals Strictly Curls Curl Defining Lotion Humidity Shield. Well, now humidity is not really my main hair concern anymore now that it's fall, it's cold. This would have been good for the summer because humidity definitely frizzes up my hair. Says define and lock in soft frizz-free curls. I mean, I always use a leave-in curl treatment after I shower, so this is something that I will also get use out of, but it seems like I should have got this more in the summertime. So far, no makeup products. Let's see what's this. This is from the brand Barefoot Venus, the Vanilla Effect Instant Hand Repair. Oh, well, you know what? I'm really going to need this because it's officially dry skin season for me. So let me try a little bit of this. It's cute packaging too. Here is how that looks. It's like an angel. It says it's created with shea butter, mango seed butter, olive oil, soybean oil. And so I could definitely use some moisturization to my hands right now. So this is great. I also am running low on my current hand lotion that I keep on my desk for work. And this will definitely be my replacement. Ooh, it does smell really sweet. You know what? It smells like cookie dough or like dessert. I like that. Ooh, seems to be very hydrating and it's a nice thick formula. All right, cool. What's this one here? Viseart Professional Makeup Theory 6 Shade Professional Eyeshadow Palette. Ooh, I didn't realize I was getting an eyeshadow palette, and this is such a cute mini one. And from a brand that I am not familiar with, Viseart. Ooh, pretty. I love the greens in this, and this is cool packaging. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so well, here's my first makeup product. So I will be trying this out in a full dedicated review video because I have a trying a new makeup product every day series on my channel where I try out all of my IPSY makeup and my BoxyCharm makeup, and then at the end of the month I do full face makeup tutorials using all of the makeup products that I got that month. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notifications if you want to see those types of videos. But this looks really, really pretty and I can't wait to try that out. I love trying out eyeshadow palettes. Oh, here's another makeup product. Ooh, this is from Ofra. I love the brand Ofra. I'm glad this came in protective packaging because I'm pretty sure I got one of these products that was shattered before. Ooh, so this is a big blush. Pretty. It's the Blush Bellini. I love blush. So here is how that looks. And this looks like a shade that I like, more of like a peachy shade. So, oh, I'm really excited to see how that will look on me. Resisting swatching and all of that to save that for those dedicated videos. Next up, what's this? Oh, Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. Helps refine the appearance of pores. Okay, this is a great product to have. I was already talking about how large pores is a skin concern of mine, and I love exfoliators, and Dr. Brandt is a really great brand. I think that exfoliating makes such a big difference in my skin. It makes my skin heal breakups more, prevents breakups, and it just gets rid of the dry skin. So this will be awesome to incorporate maybe like once or twice a week. Yeah, that's exactly what it says, 1 to 2 times per week, allowing 3 days between applications. So this sounds like it's gonna be a pretty intense exfoliator, which I'm excited about. What's this one? Oh, from Naked Cosmetics, 4-piece pigment collection. I have tried out some of the Naked Cosmetics pigments. Ooh, these look pretty. That's awesome. Naked Cosmetics makes great pigments, like a loose shimmery eyeshadow, and I love the shades of these. So I have tried out one of their loose pigments before in the shade Naturally Nude number 3. So I can have that video linked in the description down below if you want to see it. I think that's a different shade than what I got in here. Let's see. Blushing Bronze, Rainforest, Blushing Bronze number 5, Sierra Nevada. Okay, so these are different colors than what I've tried before. I feel like I'm getting a lot of repeat products, but in different shades or scents or versions than what I've had before, which is kind of not as exciting for me. I like to try completely new products. Here's another one, Belle and Argent, a Tour Matte. This is a lipstick, but I have definitely tried out a lipstick exactly like this. This I got in the shade 3 Plays. And I remember because it's got beautiful packaging. So here's how that looks. I mean, I love lipsticks, but you know, I want to try out a new formula, a new brand, or something different than what I've tried before. And especially when now I feel like I've gotten, what, like 4 or 5 products that are almost repeats of what I've tried before. Oh my gosh, are you serious? I got 2 brushes. Did these count as 2 different products? Oh, well, they are from Morphe, and believe it or not, I have never tried out a Morphe brush before. So this is the Morphe E52, a big powder brush, it looks like. Feels very soft. And then I also got the Morphe M448. Another, seems like great quality, soft, maybe like a under eye powder brush. And then the last product in here, okay, this is another product that I have received, but in a different shade. This is from The Balm. It's Will Powder Blush, worth the wait. And, ooh, looks really pretty, kind of like a highlighter blush. But, gosh, okay, I'm kind of disappointed in this. I can't even lie. I got some makeup products, but basically all makeup products that I've tried before in different shades. I got a lot of skincare, body care, hair care. At least it is types of products that I will use. Let me do a quick recap. Okay, so I got the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. I got the Marc Anthony Curl Cream. I got the Catherine Melandrino Perfume. Let's see if it's still potent. Yeah, it still seems pretty strong, so I'm happy with that. The Viseart Eyeshadow Palette. The Ofra Blush. The Barefoot Venus Hand Repair Cream. The Air Repair Eye Cream. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. The Belle and Argent Lipstick in the shade 3 Plays. The Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment Set. The Will Powder Blush in Worth the Wait. And the 2 Morphe brushes. So it's not terrible, but it's just not super exciting for me. And when I'm paying $50, I really want to get my money's worth. Sure, maybe the value of this is much more than $50, but it's just not products that I would have purchased because I pretty much already have these, or I've already tried them before in different shades, different versions. So I just have to be honest that I am kind of disappointed in the products that I received. So let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on your October IPSY Glam Bag Ultimate. I hope that you're not disappointed with yours, but I always just like to hear what everyone else gets, what you think of it. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.